Hi everyone, welcome to Power BI desktop tutorial. We continue building our dashboard, and in today's lecture we have the line chart and the KPI. So go from insert, line chart, drag it here, and it's going to build our line chart. First, you have to put the x-axis and the y for our target y. This is total. And write it from here. You can search it from manually, but I like to write it from here. This total revenue. And for x, I'm gonna put from calendar lookup. I have start of week. Okay, close it. We can manually minimize it, keep it here. Okay, and now we have a couple of options, couple of formatting we can do. You have the default formatting from here. If you click, you'll see you have the title from here, zoom slider, shaded area, data labels, and you have the series labels, trend line, forecasting. This is the default setting. And also you have a couple of things you can do from more options. You're gonna remove that, go from more options, and you will have this formatting from here. And the easy way to get to the formatting, all you have to do just double click on the chart. It will go directly. We click on the title, we are going directly to the title. We go to the x-axis, okay, go to the y, it will go directly to the y-axis. And you can update the chart with your mouse. Just if you right click from here, delete, you delete, right click with your mouse, delete, so you delete the x-axis title. We can do it manually, and by double click you will have it the formatting from here. First of all, I was gonna update the title. So this is weekly revenue, and keep the heading 3. I'm gonna change the title for 12, keep it bold, and you can change the fonts. I'm gonna select this one, and horizontal alignment, I'm gonna keep it in the middle. You can do whatever you like. And also this for the title, and we have zoom slider. We need only to keep the slider on the x-axis. We don't need to keep it on the y. So we have the x-axis on, y-axis, just give it off. And now we can check for each month easily. We have this the x-axis. If you need to go for the values with the x-axis, change the font size. We need to make it bold, and also make it 10. If you need to change the font size from here, the color if you like, and the supply unit. This is audio from here. You can check 1000 million, and you can do the same for y. You can do the same for y-axis, and if you like to change it from here, you can make it on. This is audio, make it bold, and keep it 10. This for the title, and also you have for the values, you can make it bold, and you can do whatever you like depending on your purpose. Trend line, and also from here it's gonna go from, if you need to add a trend line, and if you need a couple of options that you can manage this trend line, you can see from here the format trend line, and you can change the color if you like, if you want, and transparency, and you can also change the line style from dash to solid if you like. This the width, make it very width, make it very light. Okay. And also we have the forecast from here. You need also to format the forecast. Just from click on here and back, you'll see the forecast from here. So if you need to change the unit, and also we have forecast length, and we have ignore the last. If you have some issues, or you don't have data in here, if you click for example 1 and apply, you will see the trend is changing to the up. If you have any doubt with your data or some part you are not sure, you can change it from here, just from ignore the last, make it to 0 and apply, and then interval, if you change it to 99, so it will increase the confidence. That means if you unselect the chart and back from here, we have the tooltips from here. is allow you to read for any point on your chart. And also there is formatting for tooltips. Just double click and then go for properties, and you have the tooltips, text and the background. We're going to change the text. You can change the font size, the color, and keep it white. This is value color. You're going to give the value color. You can change whatever you like. And then you have the background. I'm going to keep it dark. And now if you scroll back, you'll see the tooltips are changing. You'll have the total revenue. This is for each month. And you can copy paste. Instead, if you're doing that for multiple dashboard, you can just copy back for customer details and paste. And all you have to do just to change the data type. From total revenue, change the Y. This is the total. You have the total customers. And from double click to change the title. So this is the weekly customers. Weekly customers. So this is the easy way. And instead of you doing that multiple times, you can just copy and paste for multiple layouts. And back to the executive dashboard, let's gonna go for insert. And now let's gonna insert the KPI. We have with engage card in KPI. Click on KPI and data. So first you have to put the value that you want to evaluate. This is the total revenue. I put the total revenue for the value. And then the trend, this is over time. So the trend is supposed to be something like we have within the calendar lookup. I'm gonna put the start of month. And the target, go for from measure. I have, we're gonna put previous month revenue. So close it. Close it on. This is the total revenue per each month, and this is the graph that's behind the value. This is the change of the total revenue per each month, and the target that we are evaluating the previous month revenue. This is the current 1.8 million, and this 1.7 is the previous month revenue. So you can see we have 3.31% this increase. Now you can manipulate the KPI wherever you like. Double click on here, and you have the format. It's gonna change the name. Okay. This is monthly revenue. Monthly revenue. Can make it alignment in the wiggle, make it bold. It's 14, make it 12. And also we have, so this is for the title. And also we have a trend axis. From a trend, this is the direction. High is good. We have two options, high is good or low is good. Now keep it high is good. The color, you can change it from, input dark, and nature color, it's gonna keep it dark also. And the back color, we have the red one. But transparency, keep it 12, whatever you like. And the target label, this is for the target. And keep it 10. Change the font size. This is for the target, the previous month revenue. And you can also change the color if you like. Okay. This is for the targets. And also we can change the units from, we have callout value, the fonts, and we have the display unit. So I'm going to change this unit to million. So you have 1.8 million and the previous month 1.7 million. So 3.31% increase. And then you can adjust the size manually, whatever you like. And you keep it here, you're going to keep it down, and then copy, best, one, keep it here, one, keep it here. Now we are just going to change the data type. Have the total revenue, and add the total orders from here, total orders, and then I'm going to change the previous month. I'm going to change the target, our data. From measure, I have previous month, I have the previous month order, previous month revenue, and previous month orders. We got 0 million because we have to change the unit from, this is from millions. We're going to keep it 1,000, so you have 2.1k. And also we're going to change from total revenue, going to put the total, we have the total returns. and I'm gonna change the targets. Within measure, we have the previous month returns. And also, I'm gonna change the unit. Within colors value, this is million, I'm gonna keep it 1000, and I'm gonna keep it audio. And from here, I'm gonna change also, go back to trend axis. From trend axis, I'm gonna keep the direction is good, so I don't have the bad color from here. You can highlight this 1, 2, 3, and then go to format, alignment, align top, and then distribute horizontally, so you can adjust the area between them. So this is for this lecture. This is how to build your line chart and the KPI. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos.